How to transfer USDC from Lobstr to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Lobstr wallet and after that click on the three lines at the top left hand side corner and now click on this option of send. Select Stellar wallet. Now for the address, we will just hit up to Binance and over here you need to open up your wallet, then go to spot wallet and select USDC, and on USDC just click on this option of deposit, select network and click OK. After that just copy this particular address and go to the Lobstr wallet, paste the address, click on continue, select USDC at the top and type the amount that you want to send. Suppose I want to send 40 USDC, so I will just type 40 and click on continue, and now it will ask me to provide memo. For that I will just go to Binance and copy this memo and get back to Lobstr, and after that I will just paste this memo over here and click on send. Wait for it to do its work and after a few seconds it will be sent. Just click on done. And this is how you send USDC from your Lobstr wallet to Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.